in this environment, it's fun. It's fun doing stuff with other people and then also trying new foods that you never had before.
Well, I was just working on the ingredients for the inside of a mushroom burger.
I made lemon, chicken, and zucchini bites. I love it.
It's rewarding because then you get to see the final product at the end.
We really wanted to find a way to build healthy habits in our students, and we were able to begin a culinary art partnership with the Sekia Institute.
What's impressive is that the students, with the help of one of our volunteers, work through the recipe, prepare the recipe, cook the recipe, and they do most of the work themselves. And we are just there to guide them.
You're kind of just going to go straight down.
Our students are so eager to learn, and they're excited to just try new things.
I'm just having a good time and enjoying myself, learning these new recipes and stuff so I can use them when I have my own place.
Just being able to share a meal, especially one that like you worked hard for to make, just like gives a deeper sense of connection to like the people you're working with.
It's the socialization piece that I like about it.
Students have fun, they get really excited about actually cooking.
You could just tell that the students were so into it. It was right where they wanted to be.
I think it's a win-win for everybody.